Hey guys, it's Fairy Fanatic here, and we're going to be doing a video on how squishies could be good stocking stuffers and presents. If your child wants squishies or wants some more, they would be good ideas. For starters, at Michael's there's $1, $2, and $3 squishies there. These ones at Michael's were those ones that I got from those racks, and they're really nice. It's that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then my brother, baseball star number 9, he usually films, but these are his.
This one was a Christmas squishy, by the bottles and stuff. This one was by the whack that she said.
Yes.
It's a donut with sprinkles and frosting. And this is a strawberry cake.
No, it's strawberry chocolate.
Yeah. And it has chocolate cream, whatever. And this is a cupcake.
And then,
this one is a macaron, I think.
Yeah, it's a macaron.
And this has a pink topping and frosting in the middle.
And to mention, these are all mine except for these two. These, he got them. They're all mine, no, except for these
All
two.
of them are $2 or $1, but this one's $3.
Yeah, that one was 3 just because.
Oh, and this one was from Five Below.
And it was $5 because it's one of the big things and popular things, so it was going to be $5. I knew it. And then this one I got from Michael's, it was $5. They're one of the rare ones I've been seeing on videos. And people have been saying they've been rare, and it's really squishy. But then this one I got from Target for $5. It's a Squish Delish one. You can see on the label. And look out for a skit for us, doing a video where it's a skit where we're opening Christmas presents on Christmas morning, and we're opening squishies, and you're gonna see these same exact ones, and my parents might throw in some surprise squishies. So just look out for that video. Bye guys.